Step 1. Place a steel pipe in the middle of the container to easy push the machine. Step 2. Move machine body into the container by crane. Make sure the machine is in the middle of the container. Step 3. Forklift to hold the machine and put it down, then loosen the ring buckle. Step 4. When the machine body completely enters the container, first adjust the position of the steel pipe, then place 2 wooden blocks and adjust the support position of the forklift. Step 5. Forklift to push the machine to a proper fixed position. Step 6. Jack up the machine and take out the steel pipe. Step 7. Loading another machine part in the same way. Step 8. Fixed machine, PLC, hydraulic station, etc.